aluminum foil paper to cook is bad for your health while baking or roasting a dish in the oven. Using aluminum foil is the most common practice in most households. It's important to stop this unsafe cooking habits due to the health risks and disadvantages. Highlighted below are the significant negative impacts of using aluminum foil for cooking or baking. Aluminum toxicity. Aluminum can leach into food, especially when cooking acidic or spicy dishes. High levels of aluminum consumption have been linked to neurological and bone diseases. Heavy metal exposure. Aluminum foil contains heavy metals like lead, mercury, and arsenic, which can contaminate food and pose health risks. Chemical reactions. Aluminum reacts with acidic foods, causing the transfer of toxic compounds into the food. Nutrient loss. Aluminum can react with nutrients like vitamin C and selenium, leading to their destruction. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience digestive problems, such as nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain, due to aluminum consumption. Aluminum toxicity found in the blood has been linked to a greater risk of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. The use of aluminum foil for cooking or baking has been found to leach into food when used. To minimize the possible health risks associated with using aluminum foil on food, do the following to avoid aluminum leaching into food. Do the following. Use alternative cookware like ceramic pots, stainless steel, or glassware for cooking and baking. Avoid cooking acidic or spicy dishes in aluminum foil. Don't store food and leftovers in aluminum foil for extended periods. Dispose of used aluminum foil properly. Remember, moderation is key. If you do choose to use aluminum foil, follow these guidelines to reduce potential health hazards. Remember, Cecelia World always bringing you creativity, healthy ideas to save you money.